Leli phoyisa labizwa ukuze liphoswe imibuzo emva kokuyamaniswa nemoto eyasetshenziswa ukuthumba uKamohelo. Umsolwa uvele okokuqala namhlanje enkantolo. Abezindaba bebengavunyelwe ukuthwebula ngenxa yokuthi umsolwa usahlonzwa. Umsolwa wafuna isamba semali kumama kaKamohelo ukuze ambuyisele. Amaphoyisa athi akwazile ukuthola umkhondo ngaye elandela isamba semali efunekayo.
There was some ransom which kicked in, and when we link on what ransom or from where it come from, then we could immediately sense that he's involved. That's why you see this morning that there was an additional charge of extortion.
Nakuba eseboshiwe umsolwa kodwa ke uKamohelo namanje akakatholakali.
This is a bit of a relief. We are not yet there because what is key to us is to find Kamo. They might be arrested, but what is key to the family and what is heartbreaking is the whereabouts of Kamo.
We're a bit disappointed that the person who comes out as a suspect is a police. But at the very same time, we're happy that police went as far as investigating and arresting one of their own.
Amaphoyisa athi kungenzeka kuboshwe nabanye abasolwa. Icala lihlehliselwe umhlazi 13 kuNhlangulana.